a graduate student, I'm not really exposed to science that reaches out to our community, so I came here because I think it's important for us to reach out to our immediate environment, especially the younger children, because they're going to be the future of our science world. So I really wanted to meet with them, learn from them, teach them something, and just have group activities with them. So that was why I decided to be here for the interaction. My favorite part is just learning how smart everyone is. It's like everyone just knows something that they're trying to tell you. I asked some sixth graders some questions about diabetes, and they talked about genetics, and they talked about environments and things that I just didn't think of. So my favorite part is just learning how much other people know, and it informs what I would do with my future research. So I'm really excited for that.